What does the future hold for the Mines and Mining Development Minister and his deputy in Zimbabwe? Amidst the tumultuous waters of Zimbabwe's economic landscape, this question arises with a heightened sense of urgency. The fates of Mines and Mining Development Minister Winston Chitando and his deputy Polite Kambamura hang in the balance. Their positions teeter on the precipice of dismissal, should they fail to provide minerals to back Zimbabwe gold, or ZiG, the nation's currency. Zimbabwe's treasury is taking bold steps, designating parallel market dealings in foreign currency as money laundering, and proposing stricter penalties for transgressors. This move aims to bolster ZiG's value, which is currently navigating a steep inflationary current, significantly eroding public and private incomes and consumer spending power. Last year, miners received a mandate to pay half of their royalties in the mineral they mine. The Mines and Mining Development Ministry shoulders the responsibility of collecting these minerals, a task critical to the central bank's reserves. Speaking at the Zimbabwe Investment Summit 2024 in South Africa, Kambamura shared the gravity of their situation. The president put our heads on the line by approving the structured currency, which is backed by minerals. If we fail to put the required reserves in the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe vault, then myself and my minister are gone. The challenge? Obtaining the capital to upscale mining production. Despite Zimbabwe's rich mineral deposits, including one of the world's largest platinum reserves and being one of the top 5 lithium producers in the world, capital remains elusive. Parallel forex dealers continue to flourish, despite the authorities' crackdown. Economists caution that without proper backing, the ZiG will always be vulnerable to arbitrage. The inability to obtain foreign currency from formal financial institutions fuels demand for money on the parallel forex market. The ZiG, though now usable for fuel purchases, cannot be used for obtaining passports and paying for other government services. This limitation further reduces demand for it on formal markets. As the Finance Minister Mthulin Cube stated, "We are already dealing with those who are dealing in the parallel market. We should not give them an opportunity." In conclusion, the future of Zimbabwe's Mines and Mining Development Minister and his deputy is intrinsically linked to the success of the ZiG. Their mission to bolster the nation's currency with minerals is a crucial task with far-reaching implications, not just for their careers, but for the economic stability of Zimbabwe as a whole.